my Spring Fabfitfun box has arrived. So let me show you, let me show you what I picked. The price for Fabfitfun, if you sign up seasonally, is $59.99 per box. If you sign up annually, it's $219.99 up front. I do have a discount link down below if you want to save some money when you sign up for your seasonal membership. Let's start with customization number 1. All members could choose this one, and I did not do any extras this time. I was very good. So what I picked, now if you want to see in detail more about the things that you could have picked, just to kind of give you an idea, I'll have the spoilers video listed down below and up in the cards. I picked the Swell Salad Bowl. So here's what it looks like. This has a $40 value. I work from home, so I'm not going to use this probably, as they said, as far as like bringing it to lunch, because the idea is, so you have the bowl here. Here's what the top looks like. And the idea behind it is you put your dressing in here, your toppings here, and then the lettuce goes here. So then that way, you know, your lettuce isn't getting soggy and stuff. So that's the idea. It is hand wash only, unfortunately, or recommended. But even though I'm not working in an office, I still thought that this would be good for prepping maybe like 2 days worth of salads and, you know, having them separated out like that. And I mean, I don't know about you, but I feel like you can always use a bowl, right? And it's stainless steel. Oh, and look at it, it even has swell right there. And so that is to put, you know, you could put another kind of condiment in it or your dressing. It's pink. I love pink. How could I not get it? Customization number 2, all members could choose from here as well. And I chose PJ Salvage California. This is the powder blue bath wrap. This has a $42 value. So years ago I had one of these and I just think that they're so nice. It's one of those towels that you wrap around and then you can Velcro it so that it stays put after you get out of your bath or shower. You just wrap this around you and, you know, then you can like air dry and dry off. And look at in this side, it says PJ Salvage, what does it say? Wrap yourself with love. So you can see that message every time you use it. Customization number 3, all members could choose that as well. And I chose the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade because I actually have never tried this product. I've always heard a lot about it. And then it came with brush number 12. This was a $39 value. It has on that side, and then the spoolie on that side of the brush. Picked soft brown. I don't know. Is that going to be too dark? Huh. Oh, I will see, and I'll let you know. Do you use brow Do you use brow products? What do you normally use? Like a gel or a pomade, pencil? What is your favorite? Customization number 4, all members could choose. I chose, this is a bundle, Form by Sammy Clark Daily Check-in Journal, plus 6 months free membership. It's a $151 value. And, you know, before I've signed up to, you know, pick the things that have memberships and then I don't end up doing them, this one I'm going to. I don't know anything really about the program, and I probably don't really need another planner, but I love paper planners. This feels really nice. Okay, my daily check-in, to-do list. So every day, all right, okay. So every day here is what it looks like. You put the date, word of the day, self-act care, these I'll say of the day. Self-care act, movement, nutrition goal, sending love. And down here is repeat after me. Today I'm grateful for. Then on this page, to-do list, and then I will accomplish 3 bullet points. So it tells you kind of more about each section. So what is that? The free your mind. It says, every morning, simply write down any thought, task, and feelings that need to be let out. Think of it as a brain dump. Don't judge, don't overthink it. Whether it's big or small, just random thought, whatever, just write it down. So, okay, that's what that is. I'll let you know how it goes. And yes, maybe this will, I always like take forever to decide on planners. And I did get a planner for this year, but it's not dated. So I'm thinking that since this one, hopefully, you know, like will correspond with the membership online, then I'll probably use this one. Customization number 5, only annual members could choose this one. I chose, this is from AG Hair, the Cloud Air Light Volumizing Mousse. This has a $28 value, cruelty-free and gluten-free. I realized the other day when I was going through and picking that I did not have a hair mousse. This is sugarcane extract for natural volume, texture, and shine. And I don't think I've ever had a hair mousse, you know, kind of in this container. It's always been kind of what I guess you kind of more think of like the old school, you know, and then it's the foamy mousse. Customization number 6, only annual members could choose from this one as well. I chose the jewelry. This is from 8 Other Reasons, a $42 value. This is the Charlotte Hoop set. Here is what the largest hoop looks like. It's probably the one that I'll wear the most. You probably want to know, okay, what did the value of my box come to? What was the total? I added everything up, and the value of my Spring 2024 FabFitFun box is $342. I'd say that is a success. I feel like this time I really went through and found products, picked products that I will use. So for me, I think that's good. Let me know what your thoughts are on either the items that I picked and or FabFitFun. Here is the video if you wanted to see what else a person could have picked in their FabFitFun box, or if you just want to watch some more unboxings, here's a playlist. You can click on that one. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.